absolutely not needed. For this. So it's I don't know. I don't want to be too complicated in all these things. I wanted to show you what the options are, and you have to play and to find the best
Make
one.
our life easy.
Yes.
Please.
And then, so coming back, when we have all this, the files that are used for the scoring is so-called these RMS files. And as soon as certificate is made and uploaded, these files are automatically uploaded on the web and updated. So if you have the race in Poland, did you make any certificate this year? No. Yeah, one.
Yeah, two.
One. One club certificate.
Or
So you download this file, or you download the file for any country. Bulgaria, I see, 45.
Bulgaria rules.
This is sorted by the number of certificate, and then you go to ORC Scorer. Let me see if I have any.
Why are there no ORC International in Norway?
Because they did, they had a local handicap system that is of more than 1,000 votes, and they changed it completely to ORC Club.
And they don't use that?
They use ORC International, but currently not yet because the season for them has just started, and generally they have around 20, 40 ORC International certificates. And there will be Norwegian votes.
There are 4 or 5
Yeah.
Norwegian votes, but the most interesting is Holland, actually, Netherlands. They also have 1,000 club certificates, right?
Yeah, and to be completely honest, they are, most of these boats are sometimes doing certificates but never actually use it for racing. Because it's kind of,
Why not?
So let me see, I don't have any.
Oh yeah, maybe you could show us
The
does
scorer.
anybody use Scorer already? The new software from ORC?
So this is let's say this is the key ways that I was doing rescoring. Let me see. Well, first time when I also saw this software was maybe a bit confused, but very easy when you get used to it. It's very easy. You are adding the votes of this RMS file, as I said. So you have your RMS files saved somewhere, and let's say these are the files for Croatia. The vote that I want to add to this regatta, you can sort it by name, by GPH, by class, and these are all the votes that are having certificates. So let's say that, for example, I want to add this vote. I said click OK, and I have this vote here. The only thing of this software that is, before doing anything, you have to define classes and you have to manually assign the vote to that class. If you have 3 classes that are racing 3 separate races, everything is okay. You can even score them all together, but you need to have the same starting time for this. Here is where I define the classes. I define only one class called ORC, and each class has defined for its own race. Within the class, I can do division like Corinthian, not Corinthian, or I don't know which I can add here. And then within the fleet, I have to manually say, okay, this boat is Corinthian, this boat is not Corinthian, or whatever it is. Let's say that I don't want this here. The dates, all the data are picked up from the RMS file. The only thing that I can check here, bow number, I can check yacht name, owner, skipper. This is that I manually can edit. This is not contained in the RMS file. And once I define the classes, I define the races. When each race is defined with the start time, coefficient, and the scoring method. Here is PCS, windward, leeward. So predefined. PCS circular random or PCS constructed force or GPH or triple number, all the options, time of distance, coastal time of distance, so every options are here. So for example, this I did the rescoring of this race with windward leeward. Once you enter the distance, you enter the course. So the course definition is, as I said before, is here you can see that it's very simple course definition. I was playing only, let's say the distance, total distance is 3.2, leg direction 50% up, 50% down. And if I now score that race, sorry, where am I? Race 1, and if I click on score, I get results, and here I get inclined wind. Here you see inclined wind for these boats. This boat is the first one. Now you see the differences between first boat is winning over second for just 1 second. And then it's for here is very small difference in corrected times. And this is with the PCS with one lever. Now I want to say, okay, this is inclined wind 12.8. So assuming that this was medium, let's try triple number time on distance, windward leeward medium, and rescore again. And the way I'm getting negative corrected time. I was playing with this. And this boat does not have the triple number. I know, because I have to unselect the course, no?
I think there is mistake in the program, because in Bulgarian I'm having the same problem.
Time of distance windward leeward works.
Time on time works.
Time on time windward leeward also score works. The triple number. We can see. I know what the problem is. Sorry. Let me see. Yeah. No. We can go triple number time on time. Windward leeward medium. Okay, so let me just explain. Triple number time on distance was introduced this year, and I had some boats because this is this race was in 2017 in January, and basically I picked up the data from 2016. So some boats did not have this ratings for triple number. But coming back, so here with the triple number windward leeward, I am getting slightly bigger differences in correcting times, but probably checking the order of the boats is more or less the same. And very often, when you are doing this rescoring on the end, you will get the very similar results, because it's again, as I said, there is performance of the boat that is calculated. If someone is sailing good, will probably be good in any scoring method.
Why it will stay the same? Actually, it didn't change.
It doesn't change, and actually it should not be shown here because we are using this triple number. I have to say that we had the meeting, and there is some bit of to-do list for our programmer to update. This is basically the first year we are using this software, and if you want to use it, and if you have any comments, it will be good to try it, and also the plan is also beside the software to prepare a manual, which is people can read. But even without this, and by the way, the software can be downloaded for free, but through several services. You go to several services, you register, and you download the software there. Then we have this Altura software that we were all using for some time, which is also good to be used if you are used to it. But generally, since we made this last year, we prefer to work with this, and we prefer to update it, and we prefer to make it easy to publish results on the web, to click a button and you get the web page that is uploaded somewhere, you go, you get all the results.
The score is only RSC, but in the regatta we are scoring, there are other groups or local,
There is
and
option.
others open.
But are you racing with time on distance, time on time, or what other?
There is custom time.
There is custom time on
Custom
distance.
time
So
on the
there is-
bottom.
Yeah, exactly. Custom time on distance and custom time on time.
So for IRC it works.
Yes, you enter here the custom time on time. Just a
You
number.
have to create the new boats because they are not.
How you can input the
Which
goal?
boat?
But you can, in the list of boats, you can add one and then
I did.
just fill, yeah?
Yeah, I did
Can you
actually.
add votes manually? If there is no vote without, there's a vote without.
Yes,
the
you
RSC
simply
certificate?
click on plus
Okay.
here and you enter.
Okay.
Although, then you be careful, and then when you should score this vote only with the custom, in the class with custom time on time or custom to custom time. And if you want the real time, you simply put custom time on time 1.
Okay.
And then always the lapse time is equal correct time. That's it. So you may add, I don't know, frankly, if you want to use for dinghies and things like this, I'm not 100% sure. There are probably better software available on the market, even for free. But this is for the big boats. It's quite easy on the end to